Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to texture in Blender. So Blender is also a 3D modeling software. So I am going to texture one box in Blender. So let's start. First I am going to place Shift A, mesh, and I am going to add one cube, and then I am going to scale that cube, and then I am going to scale that cube like this. So this is our box. So let's add some materials on this box. First, I'm going to click here, materials, add new material, and then I'm going to click on base color here, the yellow dot, and I'm going to import one image texture, open desktop, and I'm going to add one texture here. So here, this is the material mode. This is a viewport setting. This is a material mode. So see, our texture is applied, but it is not properly applied. So now we are going to unwrap this model. So here is a unwrapping UV editing mode. Click here. So this is our UV editing mode. So now go in edit mode. Click on this face. Select face. Click on this face and press U and unwrap. So this is our face. So this is vertex here. Vertex, edge, face, and this is element. In Maya, it is shown as UV shell. This is UV shell. This is face. This is edge, and this is vertex. So we have to click on edge here, grab this edge, press G to grab, and just move it here like this. Here also press this edge, G to grab, and then move it here. So we can see the preview. So it is looking nice. So click on this face, press U, and unwrap. So here also press this edge, G to grab, move it here like this. Press this edge, G to grab, and move it here like this. Press this edge G to grab and move it here. Press this edge G to grab and move it here. Now press this element, press R to rotate and rotate it like this. Okay, nice. Now in back position, press this face, press U and unwrap. And again select this edge, press G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, press G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, press G to grab and move it here. Select this edge, G to grab and move it here. So see these vertex are tilt. So S to scale and Y to scale in Y axis and just scale it like this. So see here the texture is upside down. So for that select this face, press R to rotate, Control Z, select this face, press R to rotate and rotate is like this. So for this part select this face, press U and unwrap. And now select this edge, Select this edge, press G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, and move it here. For vertex, press S and then press Y and do it like this. Okay, so our this part is remaining. Select this face, press U, unwrap, and then again go in edges. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab. Oh, select this edge, G to grab, and move it here. Go in vertex mode. Click on the scale, y-axis, and just scale it like this. Here also select this one as to scale, y-axis, and then scale it like this. So this is upside down. To select this face, R to rotate. Select this face, R to rotate, and rotate this like this. Okay, now bottom part. Select this face, press U, unwrap, and then select this edge, G to grab, move it here like this. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, and move it here. Select this edge, G to grab, and move it somewhere around here. So select this face, R to rotate, Control Z, face, R to rotate, and rotate this like this. Select this edge, G to grab, move it here. Select this vertex, G to grab, move it little bit here. Okay. Hello friends. See here is our one mistake here. So click on this face, press G to grab, click on this edge, press G to grab, and move it here like this. Click on this edge, G to grab, and move it here. So desolve the this face, go to element, press G to grab, and you can move it here like this. Press on edge here, click on this edge, G to grab, and move it little bit upward here like this. So now see now our box is fully textured. It is looking nice. Go in modeling mode. See the box is looking nice from all angles. You can also scale it in object mode. Press S to scale. You can increase and decrease the height of the box. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.